Welcome back to my channel. Today we will study acid rain. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel, like the video and do share the video. So let's get started. Whenever we think of acidic, we think of pH scale. 7th is the neutral state, which is of pure water. Below 7 up till 1 is acidic, and above 7 up till 14 is basic. Acid rain was first used by Robert Smith in 1872 from his studies of air in Manchester, England. When SOxes and NOxes, or oxides of sulfur and nitrogen originating from industrial operations and fossil fuels combustion, combine with water in the air, in the atmosphere, these gases are ultimately converted into sulfuric acid and nitric acid, forming acid rain. Normal pH of rain is 5.6. When it falls below 5.6, the rain is acidic rain. Wet deposition of acids occur when any form of precipitation removes acids from the atmosphere and delivers it to Earth's surface. Dry deposition, like the name suggests, happens when there is absence of precipitation. Acid rain has many effects on every life form, such as at lower than 5 pH, most fish eggs will not hatch, and lower pH can kill fish. So, biodiversity is reduced. Soil biology and chemistry can be seriously damaged by acid rain. The acid takes important minerals away from the leaves and the soil. Without these minerals, trees and plants cannot grow properly. Heart and lung problems are caused due to particulates present in the acid rain. There are also some control measures which we can do to control acid rain, such as clean up smokestacks and exhaust pipe so that they are free from sulfur dioxides and nitrogen dioxide, which cause acid rain. Liming of lakes and soil should be done to correct the adverse effects of acid rain. In catalytic converters, the gases are passed over metal-coated beads that convert harmful chemicals into less harmful ones. I hope this video is clear. Till the next video, stay curious.